Hello guys, if मैं बोलूं कि you can build a premium and future-proof PC without a graphic card, we support high-end gaming which like AAA games and powerful applications like Android Studio which runs very smoothly. So let's begin. So the processor मैंने चूज किया है इस Ryzen 5600G. ये 6 कोर 12 थ्रेड का प्रोसेसर है with 65 watt of TDP. It is based on 7 nanometer technology having 60 MB L3 cache or 3 MB L1 cache, having a max boost clock up to 4.4 GHz. अगर आपका मेन काम सिर्फ गेमिंग है तो you can also go for 4650G, but मुझे प्रोडक्टिविटी लाइक एंड्रॉइड स्टूडियो और प्रीमियम प्रो जैसे टूल यूज करना था, so more cache memory is benefit for me. Now come to the motherboard. I chose ASRock B550M Pro 4 motherboard for this as it come more features and desktop ready for 5th gen. I would personally say B450 मत जाओ, but the new AM5 socket जो अभी recently launch हुआ है, so I cannot say कि it is B550 is a future proof for the next gen, but you can go for B450 Aeros or B550 GB as इनकी सर्विस अच्छी है along with Asus B550. बहुत यूट्यूबर कॉस्ट कटिंग के लिए B450 पुश करते हैं, but I would personally don't suggest. उसमें बहुत किच है. First you have to BIOS update it, plus DDR4 का RAM का slot 1 या 2 या 4 का सीन होता है, and frequency issues is also comes with it. But you want, then I prefer you can go for Ares B450 अगर तुम्हारा बजट थोड़ा कम है and you want to go for B450 only. Now come to RAM. Either we have used added की D50 की RAM. ये DDR4 की है having it metal alloy and also it is a ARGB RAM जो सॉफ्टवेयर के साथ अपन कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. One more thing, बाकी लोग जैसा you don't go for D30. ये जैसी RAM लेना is like not worth it. First thing, इस frame is of plastic and you know all about heat कैसा होगा प्लास्टिक के यूज किए, एंड सब लोग जस्ट 3200 मेगाहर्ट्ज की वो रैम है और इतना चीप है, सब अच्छे अपने सेटअप में भी वो ऐसी चीप रैम यूज करते हैं. आई वुड से डोंट गो फॉर D30, यू कैन गो फॉर Corsair की रैम और यू कैन गो फॉर Adder की D50. गो फॉर मेटल alloy such of RAM because this RAM is long lasting. मैंने इसमें सैमसंग की 980 यूज किया है. अभी की टाइम इज ऑल अबाउट NVMe. इसमें आई हैव पुश्ड माय बजट एंड गॉन फॉर द सैमसंग. पर्सनली इट इज हैविंग अ रीड एंड राइट स्पीड अप टू 3500 मेगाबाइट्स. ये आई हैव जस्ट गो फॉर सैमसंग बिकॉज मार्केट में इट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ट्रस्टवर्दी SSD and you know how Samsung brand is and how advanced its technology is going day by day. Additionally, इसमें मैंने अपने 500 GB की हार्ड डिस्क इंस्टॉल किया है जो मेरे ओल्ड PC में पहले से था. टोटल माय PC कम विद 1 TB ऑफ स्टोरेज. ये सबको पावर अप करने के लिए मैंने लिया है कूलर मास्टर की 550 वॉट की PSU which is 80 plus bronze certified. कूलर मास्टर is one of the most reliable PSU जो कभी धोखा नहीं देगा. It's come along with 5 years warranty. It is a non-modular cable, यानी कि you cannot detach the cables of this PSU and it has a flat cables जो केबल मैनेजमेंट करने के लिए बेस्ट होता है. Later I'm gonna use a 3050 or 3060 graphic card which I can when I will upgrade my PC more. And 550 watt of power supply of Cooler Master is more than enough to run that graphic card also. इसमें we never gonna see any bottleneck जो मेरे PC will face. One important thing I want to say कि most of the people are suggesting you go for an esports और दूसरे कंपनी के power supplies. I would say don't go for such types of power supply. That is a scam. And esports का 450L ऐसा कुछ तो processor they are not satisfied, not the meaning of bronze satisfied. Whatever your budget is, I would just say go for the Corsair or the Cooler Math 80 plus bronze only. Because if your power supply fails, your motherboard everything gets a short circuit. Only इतना महंगा PC बिल्ड करो और मेन चीज चिप्स क्वालिटी की होगी तो पूरा PC ही खराब हो जाएगा. Now come to last thing, that is cabinet. After many research मैंने ये Galaxy Revolution 5 चूज किया. Asus give me 4 RGB lights जो customizable नहीं है, but it is saving my money on fan plus. The looks of this cabinet is too awesome. These builds come with front mesh alloy with magnetic dust cover. यही नहीं, we can also put AIO of 240 mm and also we can mount a graphic card vertically या sideways. The ventilation of this cabinet is so awesome. मैंने एक बार PC 8 घंटे नॉन स्टॉप यूज किया था for my college work running the Android studio, and the system was too chill and my room temperature was around 38 degrees Celsius. And second thing, the body which all the cabinets come is like type of metal alloy. Let's see all my components and the final piece.
Night of my life, and wherever it takes me, I'm down for the ride. Baby, don't you know I'm good? Yeah, I'm feeling alright. 'Cause I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright. Baby, I'ma have the best fucking night of my life, and wherever it takes me, I'm down for the ride. Baby, don't you know I'm good? Yeah, I'm feeling alright.
The motherboard cost me 8,150 rupees. The RAM cost me 5,300 rupees. The SSD cost me 4,450 rupees. And the cabinet cost me 3,500. Whereas the Cooler Master ka POC cost me 3,500. I have built this PC at Phoenix Technology, situated in Lamington under the influence of Pratik sir. And you can also build the same PC under 34,000, but my main choice was a long term and the premium look and the aesthetic look which I want in my PC. आपको सेम परफॉर्मेंस, आपको सेम चीज में मिल सकता था, बट मेरे को एक RGB सेटअप चाहिए था, ओके, एंड आई वांट माय मदरबोर्ड टू बी लुक एस्थेटिक, हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ हेडफोन्स. अब गीगाबाइट का जा सकते थे, which cost less 300-400 bucks less. You can go for another RAMs which are having same 3200 MHz की frequency. You can go for another SSD also which costs you under 3,000-4,000 only. So but मेरे को एक अच्छा build and premium look के साथ चाहिए था. So I have spent till 40k. And the main purpose of using my PC is very common. I have to go for coding and running high-end tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Android Studio. And whereas in terms of gaming, I just play 2 games that are Valorant and GTA 5. ये 2 गेम मेरे को परफेक्ट चल जाता है using the Vega 7 graphic card. So I can say under 40k, I just get my dream PC build and my need get fulfilled.